Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. So I have few garlic that I have peeled, and I have some coriander leaves, butter, I have cheese that I have grated. I'm using the regular cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese if you have, so that you get good cheese pulls. And I'm using peri peri mix, that is the peri peri spice that we get in the market, and some red chili flakes, and of course some breads we need. Let's begin to cook. So first we're going to start by preparing the butter for this recipe. I'm taking a mixer and I'm going to add in garlic and coriander leaves, and we're going to blend this without water. Okay, just blend this because we want to chop both of them. This is how it looks after you have put your mixie on. This is exactly how we need it. Now let's prepare our butter. So I have taken melted butter here. You have to keep it out for some time so that it's melted and nice. And now I'm going to add this paste inside this butter. You have to add all of it in this. I've added all of it, and we're going to add our chili flakes to this, and I'm going to mix this. It's done. I'm not adding any extra salt to this. I'm already using salted butter, and this is how it looks. You'll already start smelling this garlic butter's fragrance. You can also store it if you've made a little extra portion. So let's start making it. So we have to begin by coating this bread with the butter, but ensure that you have spread it across till the corners, and also ensure that you don't put in too much quantity of butter on this, because then your bread will become soft and soggy and will not really taste good. I'm going to quickly do it for all the 4 breads. This is done. Now I'm going to put cheese on this. So like I said, I've grated the regular cheese. You can go ahead and look for mozzarella cheese or the pizza cheese that you get in the market, and you will get better cheese pulls from that. Don't put too much in quantity as well, just sufficient enough. That's it. This looks done. I'm going to cover it with this bread. I'm using brown bread, guys. You can also go ahead and use white bread. And we have to apply butter to this surface and the back surface as well. So let's quickly do that. I have applied it on both the sides. I'm going to make this on a tawa. You can also use such a sandwich griller if you have. For this recipe, I like to do it on the tawa, so I'm going to use this one. So this is nice and hot. Let's put in one of our breads on this. I've kept the flame slow, and you will have to cover this and cook. If you have a tawa lid, you can use that to cover. I'm just going to use a bowl. We are basically going to do that step just for the cheese to melt. You can also add in, before you put the bread layer, you can also add in some green chilies if you want. These are completely optional. You can add green chilies, you could add jalapenos, you can add corn, sweet corn. So that's as per your choice. You can also make a stuffed garlic bread adding these. So this is completely optional. Let's add in one of them. This looks done. Let's flip this. And like I said, on this side you have to add the peri peri masala. Spread this a little bit. And put in some butter on top. I'm going to slightly spread this. Two minutes and then we'll flip this. Let's flip it. Now slightly press this. That's it. Now flip it back. Don't keep the masala side on the flame for a very long, because then it will end up burning and it will not give you a very good taste. Let's take this off. So this is ready. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. See you until next time in the kitchen of Prep Cook Live.